Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Maths online class of class 3rd. Priya here. Hope you all are doing good. Students, I hope you have completed your homework. And today I am going to teach you exercise 5D, 6A and 6B. So pay attention here. Yes, students, come to page number 98, exercise 5D, word sums. First question is, Shrikant scored 85 marks in English, 87 marks in science and 92 marks in maths. Find his total marks. So first you write the marks of English. In first column 85. In second column you write the marks of science 87. And in third column you write the marks of maths. Now add up these three numbers together. First you add the ones. 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Write here 4 and 1 carry. Now add these digits. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 9, write here 26. The answer is 264 marks. Shrikant scored in exam 264. Now question 2. A library has 178 more fairy tale books than comics. And if it has 396 comics, how many fairy tale books does it have? So add here these two numbers. First you write 178, add 396. Now add these two numbers. First we add ones column. 8 plus 6, 14. Write here 4. Take 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Write here 7 and 1 carry. Now add these three digits. Write here 5. The answer is 574 fairy tale books. Now question 3. A shop has 3,575 DVDs of Hindi films and 3,455 DVDs of English films. How many DVDs does it have altogether? Students, do addition here of Hindi film DVDs and English film DVDs. First you write 3,575, add 3,455. So add the ones column first. 5 plus 5, 10. Write here 0. 1 carry. Now add the tens column. Here 13. Write here 3. 1 carry. Now add the hundreds column. Here will be 10. Write here 0. 1 carry. Now add the thousands column. Here will be 7. Now the answer is 7,030 DVDs. Now question 4. A restaurant needs to serve sambar, rasam and chutney in separate bowls to 115 guests. So how many bowls are needed? So what will you do? Add 115 3 times. 115 in second column, 115 in third also. Now add the ones. It will be 15. Write here 5 and take 1 carry on tens column. Now add the tens column. Here you write 4. Now add the thousands column. Write here 3. The answer is 345 bowls. Now come to question number 5. A part. My grandfather is 26 years older than my father. My father is 28 years older than me. I am 9 years old. How old is my grandfather? Students, आपको यहाँ पर grandfather की एज बतानी है. So what will you do? Add all these numbers together. The solution of question number 5, A part. Add these numbers 26 plus 28 plus 9. First you add the ones column. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. Write 3 here. Take carry on tens column. Now add these 3 digits. Write here 6. The answer is 63 years. Now question number 2, B part. There are 3,346 men, 3,145 women and 2,985 children in a small town. What is the population of the town? आपको यहाँ पर population बतानी town की. So what will you do? Add all these men, women and children together. The solution of B part is this. Write the numbers. Now first we add up the ones column. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Right here 6. Take 1 carry on tens column. Now add these. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Right here 7. Take 1 carry on hundreds column. Now add these digits. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. Right here 4. Take 1 carry. Now add these digits. We'll get here 9. The answer is 9,476 population. Now C part. A storehouse has 2,468 bottles of apple juice, 3,134 bottles of orange juice and 1,452 bottles of grape juice. How many bottles of juice does it have? So students, you have to add the bottles of apple juice, the bottles of orange juice and the bottles of grape juice together. The solution of third one is, first you write the numbers. 2,468, add 3,134, add 1,452. Now add the ones column first. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Right here 4. Take 1 carry on tens column. Now add these digits. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Right here 5. 1. Take 1 carry on hundreds place and add these. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Right here 0 and take 1 carry on thousands column. Now add these. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Right here 7. The answer is 7,054 bottles. Now D part. The visitors of the visitors at a fair on the first 2 days were 1,457 and 2,357 on first 2 days. Now on third days there were 1,200 more visitors than the visitors on the first 2 days taken together. Now how many people visited the fair on the third day? So add all these together. The solution of D part. Is this. First you write the numbers. 1,457, add 2,357, add 1,200. First we add the ones column. 7 plus 7, 14. Right here 4. 1 carry on tens column. Now add these. Right here 11. 1 you write here and 1 carry on hundreds column. Now add these digits. You will get 10. Right here 0 and 1 carry on thousands column. And right here 5. The answer is 5,014 people. Students, these 4 parts you do in your copies. Now student, let's learn subtraction with borrowing. Exercise 6A, page number 49. First one is question 1A part. 26 minus 8 and 6 is lesser than 8, so what will you do? Take borrow from 2. Here will be 16 and here 1 remaining. Now subtract the ones column first. 16 minus 8, right here 8. Now subtract the tens column. 1 minus 0, right here 1. The answer is 18. Now come to B part. The question is 48 minus 9. Here also it is smaller than 9, so take borrow from tens place. Now subtract the ones. 18 minus 9, right here 9. Now subtract the tens. 3 minus 0, right here 3. The answer is 39. Now C part. 35 minus 17. So 5 is less than 7, so take borrow from here. It will be 15 and here will be 2. 15 minus 7, right here 8. 2 minus 1, right here 1. The answer is 18. Now D part. The question is 42 minus 28. So 2 is less than 8, so take borrow from here. It will be 12 and here will be 3. 12 minus 8, right here 4. Now subtract the tens column. 3 minus 2, right here 1. The answer is 14. Now E part. The question is 50 minus 37. Subtract the tens. Here 0 is less than 7, so take borrow from here. Here will be 10 and here remaining 4. So subtract the ones first. 10 minus 7, right here 3. Now subtract the tens. 4 minus 3, right here 1. The answer is 13. Now students, these 5 parts you do in homework in books itself. Now question number 2, A part. 134 minus 27. 4 is less than 7. Take borrow from 3. It will be 14 and here will be 2. So 14 minus 7, right here 7. And 2 minus 2, right here 0. And 1 minus 0, right here 1. The answer is 107. Now B part. The question is 475 minus 56. 5 is less than 6, so take borrow from here. From 7, it will be 15 and on tens place it will be here 6. So subtract the ones. 15 minus 6, right here 9. Now subtract the tens. 6 minus 5, 1. And 4 minus 0, right here 4. The answer is 419. Now C part. The question is 224 minus 116. 4 is less than 6, so take borrow. It will be 14 and here will be 1. 14 minus 6, right here 8. Now subtract the tens. 1 minus 1, right here 0. Now subtract the hundreds. 2 minus 1, right here 1. The answer is 108. Now D part. The question is 378 minus 149. 8 is less than 9, so take borrow from 7. Here will be 18 and here 6 is remaining. So 18 minus 9, right here 9. Now subtract the tens. 6 minus 4, right here 2. Now subtract the hundreds. 3 minus 1, right here 2. The answer is 229. Now question 6. 570 minus 523. 0 is less than 3, so take borrow from here. It will be 10 and here will be 6. 10 minus 3, right here 7. 10 minus 3, right here 7. 6 minus 2, 4. And 5 minus 5, 0. The answer is 47. Students, these parts from F to J part you do in homework in your books itself. Now question number 3A part. The question is 2675 minus 438. 5 is less than 8. Take borrow from 7. It will be 15 and here will be 3. 15 minus 8, 7. 6 minus 3, 3. Now subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 4, 2. Now subtract the thousands. 2 minus 0, right here 2. The answer is 2237. Now come to B part. 1540 minus 7. 0 is less than 7. Take borrow from here. 10 minus 7, right here 3. Here 3 is remaining on tens place. 3 minus 3, right 0. Now subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 2, right here 5 minus 2, right here 3. And subtract the thousands. 1 minus 0, right here 1. The answer is 1303. Now C part. 3462 minus 346. Subtract the ones, and here 2 is less than 6, so take borrow from 6. It will be 12, and here 5 is remaining. 12 minus 6, right here 6. 5 minus 4, 1. Now subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 3, 1. And subtract the thousands. 3 minus 0, 3. The answer is 3116. Now come to D part. The question is 5555 minus 526. Subtract the ones. 5 is less than 6. Take borrow. 15 minus 6, right here 9. Here 4 is remaining. 4 minus 2, right here 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 0, right here 5. The answer is 5029. Students, from E to H part you do in homework in your books. Now come to exercise 6b. Students, we will learn here borrowing tens and hundreds. Students, question number 1 you will do yourself in books itself. Now come to question number 2, A part. The question is 4328 minus 36. First we add the subtract the ones. 8 minus 6, right here 2. Now subtract the tens. 2 minus 3, 2 is lesser than 3, so take borrow from 3. It will be 12, and here 2 is remaining. 12 minus 3, right here 9. Now subtract the hundreds. 2 minus 0, right here 2. Now subtract the thousands. 4 minus 0, right here 4. The answer is 4292. Now next one. The question is 2697 minus 298. 7 is less than 8, so take borrow from 9. Here 8 is remaining, and here will be 17. 17 minus 8, right here 9. 9. Now subtract the tens. 18 minus 9, right here 9. And here 5 is remaining. 5 minus 2, right here 3. Now subtract the thousands. 2 minus 0, right here 2. The answer is 2399. Now C part. The question is 3739 minus 1449. First we subtract the ones. 9 minus 9, right here 0. Now subtract the tens. 3 is lesser than 4. Take borrow from 7. Here will be 13, and here 6 is remaining. 13 minus 4, right here 9. And now subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 4, right here 2. Now subtract the thousands. 3 minus 1, 2. The answer is 2290. Now comes to D part. The question is 5913 minus 2785. Now subtract the ones. 3 is lesser than 5, take borrow from 1. Here will be 13 and here will be 0. 13 minus 5, right here 8. Here 0 is less than 8, so take borrow from 9. 10 minus 8, right here 2. Here 8 is remaining. Now subtract the hundreds. 8 minus 7, right here 1. Now subtract the 1000. 5 minus 2, right here 3. The answer is 3128. Now comes to E part. The question is 7684 minus 385. Take now subtract the ones, and 4 is less than 5, so take borrow. Here will be 14, and on tens column 7 is remaining here. 14 minus 5, right here 9. Here 17 minus 8, right here 9. And here 5 is remaining. 5 minus 3, right here 2. Now 7 minus 0, right here 7. The answer is 7299. Now comes to F part. The question is 5800 minus 243. Subtract the ones first. 0 is less than 3, so take borrow from here. Here will be 10, and here 9 is remaining. 10 minus 3, right here 7. Here 9 minus 4, right here 5. Now subtract the hundreds. 7 minus 2, right here 5. And subtract the thousands. 5 minus 0, right here 5. The answer is 5557. Now comes to G part. The question is 6103 minus 4037. Subtract the ones first. 3 is less than 7, take borrow from 0. Here will be 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Now subtract the tens. Here 9. 9 minus 3, right here 6. Now subtract the hundreds. Here 0 minus 0, right here 0. Now subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 4, right here 2. The answer is 2066. Now H part. The question is 8557 minus 8499. Subtract the ones. 17 minus 9, 8. Here 14 minus, right here 5. Here 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 8, right here 0. The answer is 58. Now comes to question number 6. Question number 3. A part. Students, you have to do these questions in your notebook. Some questions I am giving, few questions I am giving, and other one remaining questions you have to do in homework. Question number 3, A part. The question is 265 minus 93. The solution is this. (265 minus 93). First you write in vertical column. Subtract the ones. 5 minus 3, right here 2. Subtract the tens. 6 is less than 9, so take borrow from here. 16 minus 9, right here 7. Here will be 1. 1 minus 0, right here 1. The answer is 172. Next part is 543 minus 72. Write in vertical column. First you subtract the ones. 3 minus 2, right here 1. Now subtract the tens. 4 minus 7. 4 is less than 7, so you have to take borrow from 5. Here will be 14, and here 4 is remaining. 14 minus 7, you write here 7. Now subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 0, right here 4. The answer is 471. Now come to K part. The question is 8300 minus 7235. Write in vertical. First you subtract the ones. 0 minus 5. 0 is less than 5, so take borrow from here. 10 minus 5, write here 5. Here will be 9 on tens column. 9 minus 3, write here 6. Here will be 2. 2 minus 2, write here 0. Now subtract the thousands. 8 minus 7, right here 1. The answer is 1065. Now L part. The question is 5621 minus 5535. Write in vertical form. First you subtract the ones. 11 minus 7, right here 4. Here 1 is remaining. Take borrow from here. 11 minus 3, right here 8. Here will be 5. 5 minus 5, right here 0. Now subtract the 1000. 5 minus 5, right here 0. The answer is 84. Students, remaining questions you do in homework. Thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.